So I think we will just get started. I don't think I need to go through rules anymore. Unlak said you had to write 3 compo. Wait, why Malay? You take third language, is it?
Yes.
Oh, really? So Anglican High offers third language.
Yes.
Nice. Apart from Malay, do they offer you something else?
No, I have no idea. I have no idea.
For schools is normally if you're in express stream, you're only allowed to take Malay and like Tamil or something. If you're in IP, then you can take stuff like Japanese and German and all those.
German and French, I think. Yeah. Oh, interesting. So you do that as an O-level subject. Is it? Oh, okay. Right. Interesting. Wow. Can't imagine taking 3 subjects. And did you start when you were young or you just started when you were in secondary school?
Just started this day. Sorry, I just started this year.
Oh,
this
okay.
year.
So that means it's all the basics for Malay,
Yeah.
basic Malay.
Just this
Okay.
year.
Interesting. And you said that math is the only one I have no homework, which I'm sad for. The rest give me headaches. Okay. I can tell why it gives you headaches. That's too many languages already at once. But actually, if you think about it, our friends in Malaysia, they actually take 3 languages as well. So can't complain, right? Okay. So let's get started. Now we did talk about some methods to start intro. Okay, I think it was 2 lessons ago. Right. So today we are going to talk about some methods to write both the body and the conclusion. Okay, intro, I think if you can recall, we had some, we can use rhetorical question, we can use hypothetical situation, we can use flashback, we can use definition, sneak preview and all this, right? So now when we're talking about body paragraphs, we can't really use all this because these are really like methods to hook your readers in, okay? But for body paragraphs, there is a certain structure, especially so if you're writing an expository, okay? So let's just have a look at it. Of course, conclusion, there are a few ways. Similar to introduction, conclusion, there are a few methods in which you can adopt to write a good conclusion paragraph. Yeah. Okay. So in terms of body paragraphs, it must extend on the topic sentences. Okay. So I think we talked about thesis statements the previous lesson, 2 lessons ago. Okay. So in the intro, there must be thesis statement. Okay. That's especially so for expository. Sometimes for personal recount, it's not so obvious. Okay. We might not have thesis statement for narratives. But for expository, definitely you have to have a thesis statement. It's like whether or not you want to present like a viewpoint or make a stand. Okay, so that's a thesis statement. Now, on the other hand, body paragraphs actually have what we call topic sentences. So at the beginning of each body paragraph, there will be a topic sentence which gives you like a direction into what you're going to talk about within the paragraph itself. Okay, so in this case, of course, in body paragraphs, on top of topic sentences, you should also be giving a bit of details. So there should be two things, yeah? Details or even evidences. Okay, so I think we can group them up as 2. So basically, that is what your body paragraph comprises of. Okay, so now how do we write a topic sentence? A topic sentence should be something that sums up the key idea. Like I said, the moment the reader reads it, the reader will know that, okay, this person is going to tell us a bit more about this in the remaining paragraph. Okay, so it has to definitely be linked to the thesis. Okay, I think we've mentioned that before. Thesis is found in your intro. So introduction, the thesis statement and introduction will basically gives us like a sign, right? It's like a signboard. It tells us, okay, go to body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2. That's what we're going to talk about. Okay, so you have to keep the writing focused as well. Yeah. So over here, actually, it's not really identifying. In fact, actually, all the topic sentences have been given to you. Okay. So, wait, hold on. Let me see. Oh, okay. Not necessarily. Not all. So there are 4 paragraphs here. Not all are topic sentences. Okay. So remember we said the topic sentence must be directly related to the thesis. So the thesis have been given to you. The thesis is that a host of problems await youngsters as they straddle between adulthood and childhood. So it must be directly related to the thesis statement here. So what's the thesis statement talking about? The thesis statement is talking about the problems that youngsters face as they transit from childhood to adulthood, right? So in this case, let's take a look at paragraph 2. One problem young adult like myself face is the generation gap, the gulf between us and our parents. So this is indeed a problem. It's linked to the thesis statement, right? And also the topic sentence usually appears at the beginning. There might be some exceptions, but it's definitely not at the end of the paragraph. It's definitely not at the end of the body paragraph, okay? So it has to be sort of at the beginning, or maybe just the second or third sentence from the beginning, okay? So next one, paragraph 3. Youngsters also face stress at school from demanding CCAs like the one Varun is in, right? Are you stressed because of your CCA?
Yes, I don't even
Yes.
get time. I don't even get time to rest.
Yeah, so this is one of the problem that you are facing now. Okay, so it is a problem and it's linked to the thesis statement. Yes. Okay, so it does serve as a topic sentence itself. Okay. The next one, finally, young people like myself often face peer pressure. Okay, so peer pressure, of course, is another problem. Sometimes you just get so easily affected by what your friends say that maybe you just, act and behave the way they would like you to behave, and sometimes it might not be the right thing to do. Okay, so this is also actually a problem that youngsters might face. Yeah. Okay, last paragraph. Perhaps the struggles to find answers to life problems make a teenager's journey an unforgettable experience. Actually, this is not a topic sentence. This is actually a conclusion. Okay, it's like a resolution at the back. Yeah, so these three make suitable topic sentences. Okay, now next one. We have a small activity. There are 5 of you, so same thing, breakout rooms 3-2, yeah? So 2 topics. Okay, maybe this time around I'll group you first, and because you need to each group take a topic. Yeah. So the first topic is, how do you relieve stress? What are you supposed to do? You're supposed to not write the entire essay out, but think of a thesis statement. The thesis statement should be in your intro. Yeah. And then your topic sentence number 1, topic sentence number 2, and topic sentence number 3 for the respective body paragraphs. Okay. So first topic is about stress. Yeah. How do you relieve stress? Discuss. Second topic is travel broadens the mind. What are some advantages of taking an overseas holiday? Okay. So I'm just going to randomly generate. I'm not choosing your how you guys are grouped. Yeah. So let's see. Okay. So Chloe, Sheena, and Anlak will be in one room. Ichen and Varun will be in one room. Okay. So I guess okay, we'll let the group with 2 people choose first because they are at a disadvantage. There are only 2 of them. So Varun and Ichen, which topic do you want to choose?
I'm not really of much help.
First one.
First one? Okay, great. Okay, so Ichen and Varun will choose the first one. So you want to take down the topic first, or you're okay? You know how to. Okay.
I'll
And then
try to.
right. And then for Anlak, Chloe, and Sheena, you will be taking the second topic, yeah? So after 10 minutes, we'll come back and discuss your responses. Yeah. Travel broadens the mind. What are some advantages of taking an overseas holiday? So are you ready? Once you're ready, I will put you in your breakout rooms. Okay? Right. Please don't write the wrong topic, yeah?
Sure.
Yeah.
Am I allowed to say that traveling overseas advantage includes having examples to use in a debate because you understand the world better, as in like Debating is based on a worldwide scale and not just Singapore. So, am I allowed to use that as one of the advantages?
I would think that because it's not everybody is in debate team, so it's not very general. Yeah, so to argue, then of course, then your argument is not that strong because when it comes to advantage, it must apply to the general public.
I
It
can
must.
say
Mhm.
I understand what you're saying. So I can say that you learn culture and you
Mm,
may find something interesting, uh maybe something better than your ordinary life
yeah, correct.
as an improvement to your life.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, if that's the case, then yes, you can argue your point. Yeah, because it helps improve your life when you understand other cultures better, and you know different ways to improve the way you.
Improve aspect of life and
Yeah,
also potentially improve your EQ,
correct. Yeah,
which I have terrible EQ.
not quite actually. I would think that you are quite okay.
No, actually,
I
I have terrible communication skills in class.
think so.
Yeah.
Yeah, but okay. Then if that's the case, then maybe you might just want to look for ways. But to me, it seems like in my class, you're quite good at communication. So it's fine. Yeah. Don't have to worry too much about that. Okay. You might find yourself a little bit awkward in class. How is it? Or
No, I just can't look people in the eye when I talk to them.
is it? Why is that so? Is that like a psychological thing or?
I don't know, it's like I try to avoid looking in my classmates and teachers' eyes.
Okay. Are you shy? You don't seem shy to me though.
We are on Zoom.
Oh, right. Maybe it's a different setting.
Cannot.
Okay, I think you do need to go back to your group. Probably Chloe and Sheena are waiting.
I'm back early.
Yeah, I just closed the breakout rooms. You
Yeah.
finished your discussion, right? I suppose 10 minutes is up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello there.
Hello. Okay, Chloe and Sheena are not back yet.
Probably chatting with each other.
I think they are
Did
waiting.
you have a good time, Anwar?
Yeah, seems like Baron and Yichen had a good time.
Oh yeah. We finished early, so Yichan was talking about how she's addicted to pets, and I was just like
I can
putting on
tell
some.
I can tell from her background actually.
Then I was just putting on some kind of evil laugh thingy on YouTube to entertain myself. Then yeah.
I see.
You said ways to relieve stress, and that's a way to relieve.
Right. So you are really walking the walk and talking the talk. You're relieving
If you,
stress.
yeah, if you want, I can put that evil crazy music.
No, it's okay. Oh, thank you. Okay, unless you are actually really are you interested in sharks? Just now you were showing us a shark.
Yeah,
No.
that's his plushie. That
It's
he
Nice.
just
always
that
shows me
I have a
during
lot of
breakout.
soft toys.
Is it from
But you also have a
IKEA?
lot of toys.
This is plushie. This year addicted to plushies.
Nice.
Talking about cats reminded me of soft toys.
Oh, I see. You have cat soft toys as well.
My brother has, not me.
Yichen, when do you find your interest in cats? Was it since young?
Yes.
Like you were really young? Is it like 3 or 4 years old?
I can tell
I
you
got
her
my
whole
interest in
story.
cats when I was 5.
You were 5. Okay, nice.
They're very cute.
Because she thought cats were very cute. Then she likes to pet them. Yeah.
I see. So you all get to know each other better.
The only thing I know about her that she has an addiction to cats. But I have a hatred for cats
Oh
because
dear.
the cats in my neighborhood are monsters. They scratch my friend's eye.
Oh dear. I mean cats, they are really like the most, I feel they are like really the most chill animal. As long as you don't offend them, they will not disturb you.